Hi, today I'm going to introduce you with Canvas. I did a very simple project for my class COP 4367 using Canvas element. First, we need to know what is Canvas element, the uses of Canvas element, and then I'm going to open my project, introduce you with all my files, and I'm going to open the program, I'm going to run the program and describe how it works. Basically, I'm going to also open the source code and explain how this project was done. So first thing first, the canvas element. The canvas element is a part of HTML5 and allows for dynamic scriptable rendering of 2D shape and bitmap images. It is a low-level procedural model that updates a bitmap and does not have a built-in scene graph. Canvas consists of drawable defined in HTML code with height weight attributes. JavaScript code may access the area through a full set of drawing functions similar to those of other common 2D APIs, thus allowing the dynamically generated graphs. Some anticipated uses of Canvas including building graphs, animations, games, images, compositions. My code is quite simple, being basically a function that is called at each iteration, calculating the position, drawing the frame. Here I'm going to open the program file and show you how it works. It's basically loading. Okay, I have to allow this block, otherwise it's not going to run. As you see, I have two buttons here. One button to play, another button is used to pause it. If I pause it, it will stop, and I play, it plays. And I have a button here, it says add or remove green and blue background. So if I want to make the background green, I can do that. If I want to make it blue, I can always go back to it. And I also can pause, doesn't regardless what color background I have. And that's the program basically works. And then I also have that my JavaScript file, which I'm going to open with Windows Visual Basics is loading in the meantime. Okay, it's there almost. Okay, basically it loads the background image and it initializes all the variables and the character will start to walk. The character works from right to left using approximately about 12 frames per second. Means that the character will redraw 12 times every second. Okay, here is the program. Var in the beginning is usually is a define, it defines the variables. I use my first two buttons in the beginning, as you see it, the pause button, and next one I use to change the background color. Of course, there is a loop here, and there's a here you go, the handles, which is ready, and then the var defines the canvas, and it defines its image, its coordinates, and the directions. And then you can see actually canvas is like two-dimensional, like you have an x-axis and y-axis. Start from the upper left hand corner, and it's set up like that, and it also set up its steps and directions. Of course, the function that will run the whole project. When I pause it, it will erase everything like its previous steps, and then clear rect will clear the specific pixel a given rectangle. Okay, um, and then it will redraw again, and it will start to draw it again, and basically it will go back to the x-axis, and it will set the select the frame basically, and here the sizes and the height, weight. Basically it will work all the way the direction it is described to When it reaches its limits, it will automatically turn back and go back to the other way. As right, you can see in here, the frame is divided like every second, like 12 frame like every seconds, and that's how this program works. And before I show you how this program running, thank you.